let's make a mirror dangle. We're going to be using our Paw Kit found on myprettyposhprincess.com. For tools, we have a lighter, the 70mm beading needle, needle nose pliers, and scissors. To start, open your cord, connect the ends, and then go back to the loop. We're going to use the guide wire that comes with the kit to attach that 20mm rhinestone. Tie a basic knot at the end. That will secure the rhinestone onto your cord. Next, using the 70mm beading needle, we're going to string the 65mm silicone ring onto our nylon cord. This beading needle becomes very handy as it makes it a lot easier to string these beads on. After you get that on, go ahead and put the design for the middle of the ring onto your cord. As you can see, we have those ready. So we're going to, again, using our beading needle, string through the top of that ring. Now you can see everything is secure in the middle. Go ahead and put the rest of the beads on using that needle, and then tie a basic knot at the top. Now it's time to attach our clasps. We're going to put one with the connector side facing outward on each of these cords. Then you're going to tie a basic knot to length, one on each side. Once you have those, I like to trim the cord and sear the edges with my lighter. Now it will easily connect together and you have a dangle. Find everything on myprettyposhprincess.com.